What's up, YouTube? You guys already know it's your boy Wisdom 392. You guys know we at the car wash right now. Try to get those ballad boys washed up. You guys already know. I'll be back with y'all. You guys can see, man, we're at the car wash. We're still doing the Wisdom 392. You guys can see it. Fuck with that. You want to raise? For sure. This guy want to raise, guys. M3. How you been, man?
How are you, brother?
Pretty good, yeah? You already know, man. We good.
Good?
Yep, you?
Very good.
That's what's up. I like the rap, though, man. That shit is hard, man. No cap. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Yeah.
I want to raise you, though, bro.
Let me know, man. Let me know. Yeah, we do. Get me a snap. Yeah, quicker, you know. Yeah, I be in the snap a lot, so. Yeah. Yo, check out this though, man.
Got everything.
Yeah, look at this. The rod is crazy. Oh, boy. Hey, this one, waistband, 392. Yeah, I did, yeah. I'ma add you right now, though. Yeah. What's up? Oh, that's you, right? My team? I got you. Yeah. South Sudan? Sudan, or you can say, like,
Fuck yeah.
you know Sudan, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Fuck yeah.
Damn. This thing hard. Man, the lighting is bad right now, man. Yo, check this one out, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go later.
That's M3.
We got this. That's right.
Fuck with this, man. Shit is hard. Shit is hard. I think first time I see this. Yeah, I never seen this drop out. I need to get those, man. Yeah? Where you get those at? Oh, yeah? Crazy. I've been in the shop though. Yeah, I haven't used the channel too. Yeah. Probably you got today, man. Yeah. But that's just infinity, man. That's already know. It's gonna be a wish. Well, out here right now. Nice to meet you too, man. You already know, man. It's clean. Clean, no cap. Bloody. He got the bloody gut. Bloody gut, y'all. Look at this. Man. Got the bloody gut. No cap. U35. Look at this one. Crazy with that bike diffuser, man. No cap. Woo. Thing is hard. Another bloody man. Bloody man right here. It's hard, bro. It's hard. Damn. Look at this. No cap. Yeah, out of space. Out of space with it. Damn. Oh, I Those Infinity are different, man. I like it. Yeah? Don't fuck it up, man. I like those too. That's how it's
That's a downgrade. Hey yo.
I'm out of space, nigga. And she fucking with a basic nigga. That's a downgrade, that's a downgrade, that's a downgrade. I'm out of space, nigga. And she fucking with a